Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the camera app and looking for the moon icon. This indicates night mode. Once done, make sure your phone is steady and you have enough light to exit automatic night mode behavior. If the icon is active, tap it to reveal the exposure dial. This is the first actionable control. You do this because night mode engages automatically in low light, and toggling the icon lets you override that automatic exposure so you can switch to normal capture. Now you'll turn night mode off manually by tapping the moon icon and reducing the exposure time to 0 seconds or toggling off if your iOS shows that option. Once reduced, the camera stops multisample long exposures and captures a standard photo. Make sure to use AE/AF lock by pressing and holding on the subject if you want consistent exposure between shots. This prevents the phone from re-engaging night mode. When the scene changes, finish by taking a test photo to confirm the image looks normal and not softened by long exposure. If it's acceptable, continue shooting. If night mode reappears, add a little ambient light or switch camera angles so the sensor detects brighter conditions. Make sure to restart the camera app or reboot the phone if settings stick. Finally, update iOS when available, because firmware fixes can adjust how automatic night mode engages and resolve persistent override issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.